Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring key ingredients so the bait mixes reliably. Precision matters because texture determines how it holds on a hook. Combine 1 cup flour, 1/2 cup cornmeal, and 1/4 cup breadcrumbs in a bowl, then add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon oil, and 1 teaspoon salt. Once combined, mix until just integrated. You want a dough that's tacky but not soggy. Make sure to add optional attractant now, anise or grated cheese, to boost scent and test a small pinched ball for firmness. Once the base is formed, you need to knead and refine texture so it stays on the hook yet releases scent slowly. Knead 30 to 60 seconds, adding water 1 teaspoon at a time until the dough forms a smooth, pliable ball. Next, fold in your attractant, 1 tablespoon grated cheese, 1 teaspoon anise, or a few drops of fish oil, and mix thoroughly so scent disperses evenly. Then shape a 1/2-inch ball and test by pressing on your finger. Now you form the final baits and prepare for use and storage. Roll into sizes from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch depending on the fish you target, then press onto the hook so the bait traps the point without covering the eye. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator up to 5 days or freeze for longer storage. If the mix crumbles, add a little oil to bind. If it goes too soft, add 1 tablespoon flour and knead until firm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.